Hello friends, how are you? Today we'll make pasta. So you can see ingredients: pasta, tomato, ginger and garlic crushed, carrots, capsicum and green red onion chopped. So first we will boil the pasta. In the pasta, while boiling, we will add small amount of vegetable oil so it will not stick together, and about half teaspoon of salt to give a taste while boiling. We will cover it and let it cook on the medium flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see our pasta is boiled, and now we can strain out and take it in another pan. So in the pan we will take small amount of vegetable oil. Then we add ginger and garlic chopped inside small half quantity, and we will fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When it's get little fry, we will add onions inside, and we fry it till the onion become light brown. You can see onion have started getting a little brown. So now we will add the tomato inside. It's a grated tomato. I have frozen it, and then with the help of grater I make it this shape in this style. We will fry it for at least 2 minutes. Half teaspoon salt. You can add, increase or decrease as per your taste. Half teaspoon red chili, and we will cook it little. 1 teaspoon of capsicum powder. We will fry it. You can see it become it's fried already. So now we'll take out in the other pan. In this same pan we will add little vegetable oil, very little, and we add small amount of butter. Why I added the vegetable oil? So it will not become smoky, or it will not burn. So you can see it's in good color. If you put only vegetable, this jog this so now we add little ginger and garlic remaining one, and we add the carrots and the green onion, and we fry it till it become little soft. It's become little soft already. So we will add the capsicum, and we will fry it till it become little soft. So you can see it's ready now. It's up to you how much soft you want to make. What's your taste to eating? Now I will add the pasta inside, which we have boiled earlier. I'll mix it. Add little amount of salt, to give some better taste. We fry it again. Now we'll add the this material which we have prepared before, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. We cook it. You can add chili sauce also. I have added almost 1 tablespoon. So you can see our pasta is ready. So now we can take it out in the other pan. I hope you will like the video. Please enjoy the pasta and tell us the comments how you find our recipe.